Watch your outs. There you go. Good. Okay, I want you to make one 10-meter circle on that end, and so it's going to be kind of between the two quarter lines. And then after the circle, we're going to change rein. So you're just going to make like a little leg yield from one quarter line to the next one. So you're going to leg yield off your outside leg. So just get her straight first. No, outside. Yep, straight. Okay, that's all right. We'll just change direction like that, and then you doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then quarter lines again. So we're just going to keep warming her up a little bit with this. Just think nice and straight and just really up under your seat. Think about turning the whole horse. Hands a little closer together. So you can you're starting to lose her there. Just think, push her together. There you go. There you go. That's it. Kind of push through the corner. Try not to drop her on the corner thinking, oh, we're going to coast around this and then pick it back up on the straight line. You want to use that corner so that the straight line is even better. And you have maybe a little more energy to push through. There you go. Okay, then a 10-meter circle. Do you need a walk break? Okay. Okay. There you go. That's it. Now just keep her kind of in front of your leg, even in the walk. So you want her to stretch those muscles that she was just using. That's good. There you go. Just keep her connected. Think about where her back legs are. So be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left.